Hello, Geography 212 online class. Stephen Doyle here. I wanted to give you a little information regarding your first assignment, which is Lab 1B. There's a couple of main points they want to go over here, and I'm just going to take a few minutes to get you going, help you out. First off, one of the points I need to reiterate here from the lab is that generally speaking in meteorology on the surface and in the upper air is going to flow from high pressure toward low pressure. And then in this Lab 1B, they're going to show you a couple of things. So let's start off here. They start off with an L to depict what we call a low pressure system on the surface. So let's say on a surface map, here it is. We have a low pressure system. So I just want to try to illustrate how the air flows around a low pressure system. And they're going to use something they call the hand twist model, which I'm going to demonstrate. So here we have a low pressure system. To demonstrate the hand twist model, you simply lay your hand flat over the center of the low pressure system. Then start turning your hand counterclockwise and pulling your fingertips in. All right, try it again. So we start with flat, counterclockwise, and pull your fingertips in. Okay, that's going to give you three different directions of motion, so let's talk about that. So what it does is I put it on the map here. This is going to show you that around a low pressure system, the air tends to flow counterclockwise and inward. All right. Later on, and you'll see this term in meteorology, refer to this as convergence. This is convergence because this air is converging toward the middle. So remember the hand twist model, as we bring our fingertips in, look what my palm is doing. It's rising up. So air is also rising in the center of a low pressure system. So that hand twist model then, counterclockwise, inward, and upward, gives you those three different dimensions of motion. So those different dimensions then are going to be counterclockwise, inward toward the center, and upward. All right. Now, if we take a high pressure system, it's pretty much the opposite. If we have a high pressure system here at the surface, we can use the hand twist model for it as well. What we do there is we start with our fingertips together in the center of the high pressure system. Now rotate your palm clockwise and sending your fingertips outward. Okay, so again, from the center, fingertips in, rotate clockwise and outward. So the weather, or rather the weather pattern there is going to be, the wind pattern rather, is going to be clockwise and outward around a high pressure system. But also the other dimension, the vertical dimension, remember what happened is clockwise, it's downward air motion as well. So in around a high pressure system then, the air circulation is going to be clockwise, outward, and downward. Okay, so I think that should be enough to get you started. This one's pretty basic, 1B, and this is going to be due this Sunday on January 27th. Okay, again, if you ever have any questions, just email you, and I'll be giving you one of these intros every week for one of your labs. So if this isn't enough help, like I say, just send me an email. Okay, best of luck to you.